to cover the file download pop-up in a Selenium WebDriver. So in the case of Chrome browser, if you click on the download link, it will download the file and it will not display the file downloaded pop-up. So I'm just going to show you how to download the file, using the link in a Selenium WebDriver. So here, before that, we should know aware of the characteristics of the file download pop-up. So here we cannot inspect the pop-up and we can move the pop-up. And for the to handle the file download pop-up, we use robot class. But in this video, I'm not going to cover the using the robot class. In upcoming videos, I'm just going to cover the robot class. So in this URL website, so here download tabs are there, and download tab, after that you will get over here for Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings. So here a download link is there. So what you do is, if you right click on it, you have to inspect the element and then you can take the XPath of this one. Let me go to the Eclipse. So I'm just going to create the, I had already create the project. So I'll just going to create the class. So I'm going to select publish static admin and click on finish. Okay, now just I am going to remove this line. So I had already covered. I'm just going to take these lines of code. I'm just copying the code. I'll going just explain you how to use this one. So system.set property, here I am giving the WebDriver key and WebDriver Chrome driver value. So where a Chrome driver existed, that value I am just giving the here. So now WebDriver driver equal to, this is WebDriver driver new Chrome driver. This is for launching the Chrome driver. Now I am going to use the driver.manage.window.maximum. This is for browser maximizing the window. Now I am just giving the timeout of implicit wait 20 seconds. I am just giving over here, and driver.get I am giving the URL of the site. I am just going to XPath and just taking the, so let me, I'll going to show you. So here I had already selector hub I installed. I'm requesting you to refer my selector hub video so you can understand how to take the XPath of the selector using the help of selector hub. I am just going to copy this related XPath, so I just added in our Eclipse. So just I am going to run this lines of code. Go to the Java application. Now Chrome driver was successfully launching. Now it is going to entering the URL in the browser. Now it is going to the clicking on that link. So see over here in the below, it is going to downloaded, successfully downloaded the file. Okay, now goes to the Eclipse. So here our code is working fine. So this is what we are done in the file download pop-up. So this is like how we are going to download the file. I am requesting you to subscribe this channel. In the upcoming videos, I will be going to cover a lot more videos. So requesting you to subscribe this channel. Thank you.